Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling radiator fan on Seat Leon 1.6i. The cooling fan is located just behind the radiator. It's located right there. To remove the cooling fan, first we need to disconnect this electrical connector. There is a red tab on it which we need to pull out and then push it in and then pull out the connector. Also there is 4 bolts holding the cooling fan to the radiator. That's one bolt right there on top, right there, one on the bottom and 2 on the other side, on top and on the bottom. We'll start by disconnecting the electrical connector and removing the 4 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the 4 bolts removed and the electrical connector disconnected. Now the cooling fan should be loose. We can see the cooling fan is now loose, so we can remove it, but before we remove it we need to remove this air intake hose and move it to the side because it's in our way, and also this coolant hose as well. We also need to remove this plastic thing that the air intake hose goes into. It's held by 2 bolts, one there and one on the other side. And after we remove the bolts, we take it out and then we can remove the cooling fan. Now that everything is moved to the side that's in the way, now we can pull out the cooling fan. If the cooling fan doesn't want to come out, maybe wiggle it a little bit and it will come out eventually. We can see this AC line is in the way, so we're going to remove the bolt holding the AC line. The bolt is right there. When we remove that bolt, the AC line will move to the side, and then we can take out the cooling fan. Now if everything is free, now we can pull out the cooling fan. And that's the cooling fan out. Now we can replace it with a new one. The procedure for putting it back on is in the exact reverse way. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.